Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to Hostinger. Let's get started. First go to calendly.com, click on Login at the top right corner here to log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard. In here, hover your mouse over the event you want to add to your Hostinger website. Click on this three-dot icon at the far right, then click on Add Website from the drop-down. This pop-up will appear where you will click on the inline embed option. Then click on Continue down here. Next, Calendly will provide an embed code for you. Just click on Copy Code down here. Next, go to hostinger.com and log in your account to proceed to your dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Website, then click on Edit Website next to the website you want to add Calendly in. This action will bring you to the Hostinger website builder, where on the left panel, click on this Add Elements button, then scroll down and click on the Embed Code option. This will open this text box where you will hover over it using your mouse, then click on this Embed Code option again. Next, paste your copied Calendly code in this text box, then click on Embed Code down here. And that is how you can add Calendly to Hostinger. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.